I find inspiration from many places. Number one, I get my inspiration from the people who I work with and for. Their love and passion for what they do and their belief that by working for me, they're going to be successful. That puts a lot of responsibility on my shoulders. I've been getting a lot of inspiration in art and music and nature. A lot of inspiration from some Chuck Close paintings. Actually, I have a bean dish that just reminds me of a great Chuck Close, sort of concentric circles that together equal this, very graphic pattern. But I'm really, really into taking things away from the plate, removing elements that don't need to be there. I only want the things on the plate that need to be there to create a successful dish. Those are my favorite dishes. It speaks with one vision. It speaks with one voice. It's very clear. To look at it, it's very simple. But if you look inside in the process, it's pretty intense.